Hello guys, my name is Justin and in this video I will tell you guys exactly what is going to happen to the Bitcoin price, because currently we are creating a massive CME gap here over on the Bitcoin futures chart, of course. So we can see that the Bitcoin CME gap closed at around $31,200, and currently we are trading at this yellow line at $30,600. As you guys can clearly see on this chart, we're trading at $30,567 at the moment, which means that we're creating a massive CME gap. And we all know that CME gaps tend to get filled up 9 out of the 10 times within 3 days of being created, and most of the time we always get a scam pump on Sunday night when we already fill up the CME gap, so we don't create a CME gap at all. So I am currently pretty fucking bullish for Bitcoin. Why? Well, we're trading on CME futures price at 31,200, right? That's where we closed. And when we open, for example, 30,500, we're going to create a massive CME gap of $700. Which would mean that we will definitely, or most definitely, see a massive pump over for Bitcoin in order to close this CME gap, because we will need to get to at least $31,200 in order to close this CME gap, which could happen, which probably will happen within 3 days of being created. So if Bitcoin decides to dump lower in the next couple of hours, then we could potentially see a massive CME gap which has to be filled up within the next 3 days or so, which could be pretty bullish for Bitcoin, which means that this could be a pretty good longing opportunity. Of course, there's a slight chance that Bitcoin will not immediately fill the CME gap and that it could take a few days, a few weeks or a few months even, but 97% of the time we fill them up within 3 days, and that's a risk I want to take. So yeah, if Bitcoin decides to dump even lower, then I will definitely open a Bitcoin long position. I'm currently looking at $29,700. That's where we have massive support. If I can show you guys this, we can see that we have massive support over at this area at $29,700. That's where we're going to open a massive longing position if we decide to break this massive support area we have here, because our next area of support, of course, like I just said, is at $29,700. So yeah, at $29,700 is definitely going to be a really good opportunity to step into a long position. If we don't get there and just trade at around $29,500, just above the support level, then I am still pretty bullish, because we could most definitely pump to at least those highs again at $31,200, which is just a pretty good long opportunity as well. So I will just wait for a few hours until the CME futures opens, and then I will most likely go for a long position. I will announce a long position over on my Telegram channel, which is the third link in the description. Where am I going to trade this long? I will trade this long position over on Bybit. If you go to the first link and second link in the description, then you can see my Bybit link. And if you use the second link in the description, you will get $30,000 in deposit bonuses, and on top of that, if you deposit $100, then you will also get entered into a 500 USDT giveaway. I have all information here. You will be entered into a 500 USDT airdrop giveaway. So all you need to do is go to the first or second link in the description, it doesn't matter which one, and you will be able to get at least be able to get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses guaranteed. So you won't get the $30,000, but you will probably get $5, $10, $50, $100 based on your deposit. So yeah, go to the first and second link in the description, are the same links. Just sign up using my link. You will get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses guaranteed, and then you will also be entered into a 500 USD giveaway, which will be announced the 30th of June, which is in about 5 days from now. So yeah, make sure you go first link in the description or second link. You will get $30,000 in deposit bonuses, and you will be entered into a giveaway, which you could win, of course. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm currently looking at this long position. That's what I currently wanted to show you guys. We haven't done anything over on the weekends. As you guys can see, we haven't been trading much, just sideways. But yeah, this CME gap is pretty interesting, and that's why I will definitely trade the CME gap. I will announce everything over on my Telegram, third link in the description, or potentially on my YouTube channel. If Bitcoin decides to do something crazy, then I will make an emergency video. But YouTube videos take a little bit longer to create, so that's why. So that being said, I would really appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, first, second link in the description, really important if you want to get some free money. And that being said, I hope I will see you in my next video.